Club Du Jour. A lot of people want to know what goes on here at Club Du Jour. On Tuesdays, we have comedy night.
You should have music, maybe you could do like your own dance. Every song gotta tell you what you need to be doing.
Thursdays is ladies night. Fridays is regular club night. Go ahead and plan your next party, birthday party, anniversary, here with us at Club Du Jour. Saturdays, club night, reggaeton, reggae, African music, whatever you want to listen to, that's the DJ experience. Every Sunday, it's teen night tonight, so we're gonna give it a try with teen night, show the teens some love. Come hang out with us at Club Du Jour.